Hello, my dear students. Today I will discuss about communication, its process, types, and its important features. Okay, to start with, what is communication? Actually, it is a transfer of ideas, feeling, plan, or any message or information from one person to another. Okay, and it is considered effective only when it gets desired action or response from the receiver. That is most important part. And if we look into its process, so in the communication process, we have three things. One is sender, then we have message, and then the last one is receiver. So in the communication process, the final outcome would be the feedback. And what are the features of communication? The most important feature of communication is that it is a two-way process. In that, we have a sender or the receiver. That is the most important quality of that. It is a continuous process. At the same time, it is a verbal or non-verbal. Verbal means whenever we speak, whenever we use our speech like debate, extempore, any of your speech. But non-verbal means when we use our smile, a handshake, a body gesture, posture. These are the things that is a part of non-verbal communication. And if we look into the flow of communication, so we have different flow of communication, like it is horizontal, it is vertical, it is upward, it is downward, it is crosswise, and so on. And the different types of communication are, we have verbal communication. In verbal communication, we have again oral communication and the written. In oral communication, we have face-to-face. Written, we have to write down in a written form any of the message. Non-verbal communication, we have the body language, any of the features, facial expression, and all that. Then intrapersonal or the interpersonal, again it is another most important type of communication. Intrapersonal, we have something that communication takes place within own self. That is, it could be your self reflection, your contemplation, and meditation, such as. Now, interpersonal means that it must take place between two or more person, like written or oral communication. It could be written or oral as well, but it must occurs between two or more person. Then we have mass communication, then we have media communication, then we have extrapersonal communication. So these are the important types of communication that is very important to know.